This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kevin Brown. This is a move-in ready home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and on a 0.31 acre lot. A brand new roof is under construction and will be completed prior to closing. This home has a split bedroom, open floor plan and updated kitchen complete with a nice appliance suite. Vinyl flooring covers the main areas of the home with carpet in the spare bedrooms. Both the interior and exterior of the home have recently been painted. A large 2-car garage with a carport extended from the garage makes all parking dry and convenient. A large screen room is situated in the back of the home and privacy fencing lines the backyard. This home is in a desirable northeast neighborhood and conveniently located off of 10th Street and 25th Avenue, just minutes away from downtown and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin Brown at 352-484-5330.